Composition: don't always place the surfer in the middle of the frame. Capture the environment around the surfer. Capture the surfer surfing into the frame, left to right or right to left. Anticipate the action. A good surfer would never be far away from the pocket of the wave. Take advantage of different light. Try to capture stormy skies, sunrises or sunsets. Don't forget the golden hour. Think about the foreground leading into the action shot. And real quick, the last tip, think about the background.